Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a new presentation and immediately setting the slide size to match your target video resolution. This ensures correct framing later. Next, import your clips and audio using Insert Video or Insert Pictures, and place each asset on its own slide or layered shapes so you can trim independently. Once done, enable transitions and check playback settings. These first actions let you work non-destructively and keep timing accurate as you move into editing. You now trim clips with Video Tools Trim, setting exact start and end points down to seconds so your edits are clean. Then apply motion paths and entrance or exit animations to simulate camera moves. Make sure to tweak duration and delay to create smooth pacing. Use the animation pane to sequence layers and align visual events to your audio waveform and preview repeatedly. This combination of trimming, animating, and careful sequencing produces a coherent, professional-looking edit inside PowerPoint. You finish by exporting via File Export Create a Video, selecting Full HD or higher, and confirming slide timing or recorded narrations. This converts your slides into a continuous movie. After export, inspect audio sync, visual effects, and color accuracy closely. If you notice dropped animations or out-of-sync audio, re-export with a higher quality setting, embed media and fonts, or render the project in smaller segments and splice them together. This troubleshooting step often fixes common PowerPoint export glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.